Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, August 15th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to give you my top 5 reasons I strongly believe gotbackup is the easiest way to make money online in 2023. These are in no particular order. Number 1, gotbackup is a digital product. That means whenever you sign up to use our services or to become a reseller, you have instant access to the product in your back office. There's no waiting for physical products to be shipped or anything like that. Number 2, it's a global business opportunity. All right? Anyone, anywhere in the world who has internet and a device can use our services and become a reseller. We launched back on April 4th of this year, and we're already in 106 countries at the time of me recording this. Number 3, there are almost 7 billion smartphones on the planet right now in use. Anybody that has a cell phone needs this product. Okay? So that means the whole world is your audience, your target market. You can share this and be proud to share this with anybody in the world and anybody that you know who has a cell phone, a desktop, a laptop, or a tablet. All right? So it's not like you're asking family members to buy a potion or a lotion. You can share this with your family members and be proud of it. All right? Because it's something that anybody can use. Who in the world doesn't want to save all of their photos they take, all the videos they create, all the documents they have? Any important information on any of your devices can now be safely stored on our cloud software. Number 4, there's zero competition in the network marketing industry. Yes, there are competitors like Dropbox and iCloud and Google OneDrive, and their services are very similar to ours. However, we provide way more value. Those companies offer 2 terabytes starting at $10 a month for one user. We offer 6 terabytes a month for up to 6 users that can be used on an unlimited amount of devices for $9.97 a month. So, while they're very similar in the nature of what they do, and we're not better than any of them, we just provide way more value. All right, and the 5th reason I strongly believe that gotbackup is the easiest way to make money online in 2023 is our marketing system. For a one-time $40 reseller fee, you can become an affiliate of gotbackup and get a complete marketing system in the back office that has everything you need to succeed online. You're going to get capture pages, you're going to get a lead capture system, you're going to get ad copy, banner ads, social media images. We have 4 weekly trainings, everything you need to be successful online, okay? So, those are my top 5 reasons why I strongly believe gotbackup is the easiest way to make money online in 2023. It's because it's a digital, global product that anybody with a cell phone or device needs. There's zero competition in the network marketing industry, and the marketing system and compensation plan that this company has put together for us is out of this world. So whether you're a seasoned vet or a brand new marketer, this is something for anybody. All right, so if you want to learn more about gotbackup and how you can become a reseller and start making money with this awesome opportunity, click the link down below and you'll be taken over to my tour page. It looks just like this. There's a 6-minute video here, and all you do is enter your name and a valid email address and click reserve my position now. You'll be taken into a temporary back office where you can learn more about this amazing opportunity, and then if you decide it's something that resonates with you, you can join from there as well. If you have any questions about anything, please leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. So that's it for this video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.